What's up guys, my name is Ryan from Ventures Clips and Tips, and today I'm going to be bringing you a unboxing video of the Andis Envy clippers. So let's get right into this. Today I have the new Andis Envy clippers. I got these from Sally's they were on sale for about $46. I have not opened the box yet, so I am just as curious as you guys are to see what's inside. So let's go. Let's see what's inside this box. Alright. Okay, so when you open up the box, you have the clippers, the oil to clean the blades, the lubrication for the blades, and then the 5 or 6 different guards to go on the clippers. And it also comes with the instructions. To see what they look like. Let's see. Twist this. Alright, so when you take them out of the bag, this is what they will look like. Has a little cover on the top. Look pretty nice. Adjustable lever. It's kind of stiff, so it wouldn't move around on you while you're cutting somebody's hair or even your own hair. Let's go ahead and see what these sound like. I'll plug them in, see how quiet they are. Pretty quiet. Again, the adjustable lever. Turn these off now. Sounds pretty good. And then the guards that it comes with. We have the number 1, also known as the 1/8. See that? And we have basically just goes up in size after that. Got the number 2, 3. They basically go all the way 1 through 8, or up to the 8th card. There's a total of 6. The last one is the 1 inch, which is the number 8. So yeah. Put it back in the box. And then the lubrication oil, the Andis lubrication oil. Can you see that? Focus. Basically, to apply this, you just twist it up, twist it open, and then just apply it to the clippers. And the important documents that come with it are just the registration department for Andis, and then the instruction for safe handling. That will conclude it for this video. I will be making 2 more videos to show you how to do the 0 gapping for these clippers, and then a hair cutting video with these clippers so that you guys can see how well they cut, and basically if you guys want to go ahead and use them, because I've never used these before and then after my first haircut, I'll give you guys my personal opinion. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. And I do apologize if this unboxing video wasn't that great. This is my first unboxing video ever, and I'm still working on everything, so hope you guys enjoyed. Again, remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.